What's up guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you how to draw an apple like this in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Go to Insert, New Slide, Blank Slide. Then go to Insert Shapes, Insert Circle like this. Now insert a circle, totally round one. You can do this by holding Shift and draw like this. Then go to Shape Format and Edit Shape, Edit Points. Now you need to add some additional points. Right click here and add point. Then right click here and add an extra point. Now you should get rid of this point. Just delete this one and delete this one too. Okay, now make these points as corner points by clicking on them, then right clicking on them and make them a corner point. Make this corner point as well and make this it is already cornered one and this is already cornered one. Now let's do the fun. Just click on this and move this handle towards the up like this. Then click on them, click on this point and move this angle toward up. Now move this angle, make this angle shorter and click on second point and make this angle shorter as well. Let's zoom in. Okay, we can make more smaller and rounded one. Okay, we have a rounded center. Now let's zoom out and go to our other points. Click on the shape format and edit point again. Now click on this handle and make this like this. Shorter this angle and move it toward the inner side. Click on the second point and drag it like this and click on this point, this side, this handle and make it like this and like this. Click on this shape and edit point and make these points rounded. We need to zoom in. Click on this point, move it toward the up and make it this angle smaller one. Move this toward inside. Okay, this is how you can play around and change the way it look like. It is almost done. Now move it down and go to shape format, shape fill the color with this dark red. Then shape outline, make black. Click on the outline again and click on the weight and like that. Now we need to add some sort of leaf. Go to insert, shapes and click on this shape again, oval shape, and draw it like this, and then click on this shape, click on home and click on this format painter and then click on this shape. It has painted the format from the previous shape. Just take it here like this. Now select both shapes and go to shape format and click on union. Now it is a single shape. Now we need to make a cut like this. So go to insert again, go to oval shape, draw a shape like this, then click on the first shape and again copy the format from this by going to home and clicking on the format painter and click it here. Now move this here like this. Now first click on this shape, then press shift from your keyboard, then click on this second shape. Now go to shape format and click on subtract. Wow, this looks very cool. This is how you can make draw an apple and with a cut shape apple in PowerPoint. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. Thanks for watching again.